Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, which you probably are because I have like 5 subscribers, and welcome back if you're one of those 5. No, anyway, I'm Lexi. I'm a luxury addict. It's really bad. Yeah. Anyway, today I'm coming at you with a double handbag reveal. There's a little bit of a story, we'll get into it, but the first handbag I want to reveal to you, I got on the pre-loved market from The Real Real. And I wanted this for so long, but I wanted it in black. So I found it. It was listed as a size small, which is what I wanted. And it came to me and it was the large. And I was like, this isn't right. So anyway, I went back and they didn't have the size small in black, but they did have this cutie right here. This is the Chanel Urban Spirit backpack in the size small. With gold hardware. It's beautiful. I love it so much. I don't have colored bags. Like, I mainly gravitate towards neutrals like black, tan, but I wear a lot of black, so I figured like this is a really good pop of color. And I already have, if you watch my handbag collection video, I have my Louis Vuitton Palm Springs in the PM size, so I figured, why do you need 2 neutral backpacks? You don't. Get a color. And I did go to the Chanel boutique, and I was able to find actually the black one in lambskin, which this is lambskin, I forgot to say. But I don't know, I found this instead, which I've been looking for a while, and we'll get to that in a second. But anyways, I was bad. I got them both. But I want to show you what is inside of this little cutie. So it just opens like kind of like a classic flap with the turnstile lock. So let's see. First thing in here is my Chanel sunglasses. I have no idea what these are called. I'm really sorry. If you want them, I love them so much. They're actually like the only sunglasses I wear. I've never seen anyone else with them, which is a huge plus for me. Having unique things. Next I have my clay from Louis Vuitton. In here I just have some business cards, some rewards cards, just some extra things. This isn't like my everyday wallet, it's kind of like a catch-all for cards. Next I have, this is new to me actually, and I blame this on Drew Couture, but this is my new Chanel card holder, and I'm so lucky. I don't know how I find these things, but I was going to see my friend in Soho. She was late, so I walked into the boutique and I was like, do you happen to have this? I know it's a seasonal piece. You probably don't. It's been a while, but do you have it? And he was like, yes. And I was like, huh, okay, cool. But it's great. It fits so much, like literally everything I need. This is all I've been using. I switched from my like Louis Vuitton Clemence wallet, which is a full-size wallet, to this little cutie. So I have, my license and an additional card in the front. Then there's 3 card slots in the back. So I have some cards, my Metro card, and then this zipper pocket. I keep cash and like my work badge. It's just, I think this is the greatest SLG of all time. It's caviar leather, indestructible. I think it's great. Next I have my beloved mini pochette. In the Damier Ben, I have the monogram one too. I'm just obsessed with this SLG. I have a problem. Next I have this fan. So I take the subway a lot, and it gets really hot down there in the summer. So it's just, I think it's great. It's from Amazon. It was super cheap and it's really cute. It's a really pretty pink color. Next I have my 6-ring key holder. I keep like my laundry card back there too. There's like this place where you can keep cards, and I actually have 3 back there at all times, like my health card, my debit card, my laundry card, and it's just really convenient because you always have your keys with you, so the cards that I always need, I always have them. Next I have this like portable Chanel powder foundation compact. I really like these. I've been using them for a long time. This one's in the shade, I have no idea what shade it is. It doesn't say. I want to say there we go. I'm 62 Beige Rose. And then finally, I just have this amazing invention. It's Purse Light, because this is really big and it can easily become like a black hole. So I love the Purse Light in here. And then it does have like a, I don't know if you can see it, like a slip pocket and then an additional zipper pocket. I haven't used them yet, but this one's pretty deep, but probably come in handy. But anyway, so because I got that for a little bit cheaper, and I want to say it was $3,300 versus retail before tax is like $4,100, I think. So I was like very pleased because it's in impeccable condition. Like it literally looks brand new. I was able to get this little cutie. Instead of buying the backpack brand new from the boutique, I just happened to ask about it. I felt like there's no way that they have this. Like, these are so popular, there's no way. Well, again, I'm a very lucky human being apparently, and I'm just encouraged to spend all the money I have. Anyway, I picked up, let's show you, this amazing little cutie. Yeah. There are no words. Like, I had a rectangular mini, and I know everyone loves those, but I didn't love it. I think that like the strap was just too long for what I wanted. I wanted like a bag that fell a little bit higher on my body, and I don't love like rectangular bags on me for some reason. It's just like, I think it makes me look bigger, I guess. But anyway, this perfect little child is the Chanel Square Mini in black lambskin with silver hardware. And I will admit that this is just what it looks like. I'll admit that I really wanted the caviar one, but you know, they're not really making those anymore, so that's definitely hard to get, and the prices are just like ridiculous on the resale market. So when I found this, I figured, you know, I have my medium classic flap in caviar with gold hardware, so this is just like the exact opposite. So at least like they serve two different purposes in my life. This one I feel like it can be much more casual because it has silver hardware, and it's just so tiny and cute, and I love it. Oh, I love it so much. It's so cute. I've used it a bunch already, and I haven't, like, I brought it to restaurants and like put it on the back of your chair and hope for the best, but it doesn't have any scratches yet that I see, but I'm okay with just having to buff it out. Like, I know how lambskin is, but I knew what I was signing up for. Like, I really wanted the Square Mini, so I was willing to make those sacrifices, but you know, you need to know that caviar is definitely more hard wearing, so depending on your lifestyle, like, I am gonna baby this. Like, I'm very careful with my things as it is. Now that it's a perfect little lambskin child, I'm definitely gonna be so careful. All right, well, that's all I have for you guys today. If you have any like things that you want to see, any in-depth reviews of bags that I have, any what's in my bag videos, let me know. Happy to shoot those for you. All right, love you guys. Have a great day. Bye.